In this quick tutorial, I will walk you through Google Gemini. First, open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. If you already have a Google account, you'll see a button, Sign In. Click that, choose your account, and you're in. If not, create an account and follow the steps. Once you're signed in, you land on the Gemini homepage. This is your main workspace. Let's start with the main chat window. You can ask Gemini anything to explain topics, write content, brainstorm ideas, research information, or even help you create documents. On the left-hand side, you'll see all your previous chats, so you can easily reopen or continue anything you've worked on. Let's try an example. How do I decrease payments in my business? One of Gemini's best features is double check with Google. When Gemini gives an answer, you might see a small checkmark icon. Click it, and Gemini will quickly search the web to verify your information. Text confirmed is highlighted in green. Anything uncertain appears in orange. It is incredibly useful for fact checking, research, and staying accurate. When Gemini gives you useful information, you can save or share it instantly. You can export as a PDF or share a direct link to the conversation. This makes it easy to turn your AI results into real, usable documents. One of Gemini's most powerful features is its ability to switch between different AI models. You can choose between Flash, Pro, or Advanced. Choose the model that best fits your task. Gemini can perform deep research on almost any topic. Just ask a detailed question. Let's try an example. Ireland's history in the Soccer World Cup. Gemini will gather verified information, organize it into clear sections, analyze your data, and provide sources or citations when needed. You can use Gemini to write almost anything: blogs, emails, product description, scripts, or even code. It can also build anything. Like example, create me a weekly workout routine. Next, let's open Explore Gems in the sidebar. This is a library of ready-made AI tools created by Google and the community. You'll find things like recipe generators, workout planners. Just click on any gem to start. You can also save your favorite ones for quick access later. Gemini can also tailor your information to your current location, but only if you give it permission. You can ask things like, what's the weather like where I am today? Gemini uses your general location shown by your IP address in the bottom left corner. Lastly, there are options to upgrade. Simply click Upgrade, read through each option, and choose the best one for you.